What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. Now today, Tuesday the 3rd of November 2020, is obviously election day. What a period of time we're living in, people. What a period of time we're living in. Honestly, it's unbelievable what kind of stuff is happening right now. And to top it all off, we have the amazing elections going on. Mr. Trump against Mr. Biden. Donald Trump versus Joe Biden. Who is going to win? I don't know and you guys don't know, which is a huge reason why I'm making this video. Now, this video is purely a warning to any of you guys who are, especially new to the market. Please be extremely careful. In this period of time, there are going to be a lot of people over the next 24, 48 hours who are going to be trying to trade because of the market and because of the results and because of what happens. Now, with the elections, you have to remember that all sorts of stuff is going to go on. Yesterday, well, in fact, not even yesterday, the past few weeks have been completely crazy with the stock market and extremely unpredictable. So a lot of people try to, place option calls. A lot of people try to margin trade. A lot of people try to, put money into the stock market now because they think that this is the time to, turn 100 into 10,000 or do all sorts of crazy things. I can't even explain it to you guys. When these kind of situations come up, where there are big events, people always try and take advantage of it in the market. Now, what I'm saying is, yes, there's definitely opportunity, right, at a point like this. But at the same time, especially when you're new to the market, you need to be extremely careful. I cannot stress that enough. This video is purely a warning for any of you guys who are trading the stock market. Again, especially for those newer traders. You can make some money. You can definitely buy some stocks which are down and going even further down than they were before. You can, average down if you've already taken up positions in stocks and you just want to lower your cost average. Sure, that is definitely possible. But for those of you who are trying to use this time to, turn, a couple hundred into thousands, please be careful. Because what might happen is you might make a bit of money off a, electric vehicle stock or a Chinese stock over the next 24 hours. But what could happen is a week later, 2 weeks later, you see your stock is down 50%. I mean, honestly, all sorts of things can happen in a period of time like this. I can't predict what's going to happen. All I can tell you guys is that 100% is going to be unpredictable, which the market is always, yes. But especially again, at a time like this when the elections are happening, when people are trying to, gamble with the market. Honestly, more times than not, I'll say 90% of the time it ends wrong. So again, if you're trading, if you're investing at a time like this, be careful. Just worry purely about what you can control, which is risk management, which is how much money you put into stock, which is how much money you can afford to lose. Worry about those factors. Don't worry about trying to guess and try and see, this guy just needs to win this state and this state and then he's going to win the election. Okay, I think I'm going to put money on this stock because he's more likely to win those states. Don't try and do those kind of things. Don't try and predict what's going to happen. You also have to consider the fact that back in March, when we're at a similar, situation to where we are now with the market lows, we didn't have any elections going on. Yes, the market bounced back right away, but we didn't have any elections going on. So taking the fact that we're in a global pandemic, the stocks are almost at their lows again from March, and we have an election going on, don't take those three factors into consideration. You cannot predict this market. I don't care what anybody says. You don't know what stocks are going up. You don't know what stocks are going down. You're going to see stocks drop 20, 30% in a day. You're going to see stocks rise 30%, 40% in a day. You might see some stocks double over the next week period. All sorts of stuff is going to happen, and we can't predict it, unfortunately. If I could predict it and if I knew what's going on, I'll definitely inform you guys. But honestly, I can't predict it. So all I can tell you guys to do is watch carefully, watch closely, be smart with your decisions. Know what you're going to trade for, know why you're buying a stock. Do your research beforehand, make the decisions which are going to benefit you later. All sorts of news platforms will put out all sorts of information. You won't even know what's likely to happen. You might think Biden's going to win because he's won certain states, and you suddenly see Trump's, winning these states. I'm telling you guys, it is so unpredictable that at a time like this, it doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter what you know. Let's say that all you know at this point is that it's going to be unpredictable and you need to be safe, you need to be careful, you need to take proper risk management with your trades. And again, just to emphasize, this point is more for those of you who are trying to trade short term and, get rich quick, let's say, off an election. If you want to do that, go and place a bet on who you think is going to win. You're better off doing that, honestly. Don't mess around with the market. The market doesn't care about your opinion. The market doesn't care about your feelings. The market doesn't care about what you predict is going to happen. All you can do at this point is be careful. Again, I know this is not, a usual video that you guys like seeing, but it is basically a money management video. Again, at a time like this, all I can give you guys is a warning. This is just a video to help you guys. My aim is to help you guys become better each and every day, close financial success, close financial freedom, retiring earlier. And one thing you guys can do, and you can learn, especially from this election, is watch what happens. Watch from the side. Don't be afraid to just sit back and see what goes on. Don't be afraid to just take a back seat and be a passenger. If you ever wanted to be a passenger, I always tell you to take action. If there was ever time to be a passenger, it would be now. It would be today. It would be a day like today, even tomorrow. Just be careful with your money. I know there's going to be so many people who get carried away, who get excited and try and turn a few hundred or a few thousand into tens of thousands. I know people are going to be trading with their last 5k and lose all of it. I know these kind of things are going to happen. Make sure it's just not you, especially if you watch this video. You know, as I always tell you guys, share these videos with your friends. In a time like this, especially for newer traders again, sharing these videos would actually help more people. That is pretty much all I can say. You know, I made a video last week on what you can do when it comes to bad days in the stock market. So if you do end up losing a bit of money over the next few days, or you see your stocks going down, you see your portfolio in red, then go back and watch that video. As I usually say, go into each trade with a plan, manage your risk, know what you're going to do, set your stop losses or take profits, and of course, make sure that if you do make mistakes, you do lose money, you learn from it and you can hack it again. This elections only happen once every 4 years, so make sure that this is not the time where you throw in a load of money that you cannot afford to lose. Please don't be that person. A lot of people are gonna not listen to this, and a lot of people are gonna go and try and think they can judge the market, do this or that. I'm telling you, it's not worth it. It's not worth seeing you stress about money. It's not worth you seeing your portfolio go super in the red and lose 70-80% of your portfolio. It's not worth it, especially when it comes to money you can't lose. Doing all sorts of stuff at this point, you know, put options, call options, margin trading. I'm telling you guys, it's not worth it. So as always, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Yes, it was a bit of a different video today, but it's more of a warning and really a money management tip. As you guys know, yesterday I did a money motivation about progressing. One way you guys can progress this week is being smart with your money when it comes to stocks, being smart with your money when it comes to investing. If you've not seen that money motivation, go check it out. Hopefully you guys do make progress this week. Today is going to be extremely exciting to see what goes on with the elections. I'm excited to see, you know, I'm going to be trading, you know, with risk management obviously this week. I'm going to be seeing what happens. I have my eyes on certain few stocks. If you guys want to create yourself a watch list for if Trump wins, if Biden wins, go ahead and do something like that. Make sure you guys like the video, give that thumbs up. It does help with YouTube algorithm. It does help spread the word, spread the message. So please give a thumbs up. As always, comment under the video. Let me know who you guys think is going to win. Let me know what stocks you guys may be looking at, maybe watching. You know, be interesting to know, be interesting to see. Of course, no one's going to invest in those stocks unless they do their own research, hopefully. As always, if you're new around here, please make sure you hit that red button below. This is The Money Management. I upload a video each and every day about stocks, about investing, about saving, budgeting, all sorts of stuff. The channel's been growing recently, so please continue to subscribe, continue to help me grow. It helps other people as well. As always, make sure you guys share these videos with your friends, get them out to more people, help more people open their eyes to what kind of things are going to go on, you know, in the next few days. Help them out when it comes to learning about new things. And of course, just like I said, just share these videos, get them out to more. As always, make sure you guys check out those links in the description. We have cryptocurrency, we have smartwatches, we have a free stock for you guys if you sign up through Robinhood, through my link as well. And of course, there are other links there, so go check those out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. But that's for today. Let's see what happens with the elections. I got into making, you got choices to be making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.